Hello, today we are going to be playing Tom Jet Ski 2. So let's start. Okay, I played this game before, so I know how to play it. But I uninstalled it. But now I reinstalled it, so now let's play. If you hit into anything, I think that's like well done. Okay, if you hit into anything, a few of them we can die from it, and a few of them we can just get slowed down. So that was, I think, just the starting, like the training. How do we do it? Now it's the, real race begun. I'm fighting Ginger. He's hurt. But I know how to play this game, so maybe I will win. I'm not being overconfident. Because I mostly lose too. Not mostly, but I also lose. Not that I always win. Yep, I won it. We won it. Okay. We'll open it. We'll get some extra stuff. Okay. Max speed 150. Okay. Okay, let's, I guess, do another race. Ooh, I'm going fast. Oh, I go. And I win it! We won it. Okay. Takes 5 gems. Okay. Okay. I think this will be it for now. Just do this. Okay. Okay, I think this will be it for now. So bye bye.